In this video, I will show you how you can delete apps on your iPad 11 A16. Now to do that, first of all, just select the app which you want to delete, and after that, just tap and hold on the app icon. Now just select Remove App and select Delete App from here. Now just tap on Delete, and after you do that, you will delete the selected app from your iPad. Now sometimes when you tap and hold on a specific app, you might not find the option to remove that app from here, but you will find an option called Options. Just tap on Options and you will find the option to remove and delete the selected app. But keep in mind that some system apps, like the camera app, the settings app, or the app store, cannot be deleted from your iPad. As you can see, if you try to delete that app, let's select Remove App. As you can see, there is no option to delete the camera app from your iPad. While you can delete most of the default Apple apps, but some system apps cannot be deleted. Now this was the first method to delete the apps from your iPad. For the second method, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on General. Under the General Settings, just tap on iPad Storage, and from here, just select the app which you want to delete. For an example, I will select this app. Now to delete the selected app, just tap on Delete App and select Delete. And after you do that, you will delete the selected app from your iPad. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.